Hey, what's going on today, guys? We're back on the 1982 GMC Sierra project. This is my dad's truck, and we're working on the frame today. And as you can see, we are taking the spring perches off because we have a frame that dad's working on right now. That's why you hear torch noises in the background. And we're going to be taking that frame and welding it on the back. As you can see, he's made a line right there on both sides, so that's where we're going to be cutting it. Because in case you can't see in there, it's rotted right in there, and all the way back here, and also on this side over here as well, right in there it is. So the reason we have to take the spring perches off is because the frame we're using is a two-wheel drive one, which takes different perches. They're a little bit shorter, where these are the longer ones, as you can see right there, and I'll show you in a second when Dad's done cutting some more rivets. And these are held on by rivets right here. You'll see this is one that looks like when they're not cut. So he's torching those off, and yeah, once he's done with that, we'll get right back to it. All right, we're back, and as we can see, this is the frame that we're going to be using. Dad's over there cutting another rivet off. It was a homemade trailer. It had a Stepside bed on it. You can see right here, that's what it looks like after he cuts the rivets. So there'll be 4 right in there, and then there'll be another one in here, and there'll be another one right under there. There'll be one more. It kind of works as a support. It's gonna be hard to tell, but it's like right in there. Support for the spring perch. And as you can see, this is the two-wheel drive version. It only has 3 rivets on each side for the front. But anyway, this frame's good, so we just have to modify a few of those things, and he's gonna have to cut it off right in there on both sides again. So yep, so we're gonna get right back to it, and this is gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more of these. Thanks.